welcome back to another episode of Northeast Outdoors. Today I'm here with my buddy Justin. He's a little camera shy, he hasn't got out of that shell yet, but he's gonna maybe appear more on this channel. I would say so. I convinced him to buy his first fishing rod today, so later on in this video I'm gonna set up him a tackle box of all the bait that I have in my garage. I have a crap ton, but today's video, the whole point is about these two items. I got a new anchor because, as you guys saw in one of my videos, I had to cut line. It sank me. Then I got a new fish finder because, as you guys also saw, I broke the other fish finder. So today we are going to install both these items on the kayak. I can't wait. It's almost fishing season, almost time to get back out pre-season, pre-spawn fish for bass, catch some big ones. So today we're gonna put a little time lapse together and record us putting everything together. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so just ripped out the old fish finder. This is the part of the transducer. I can't even say it. Transducer. There you go. Transducing. Well, this is your transduction. And I got the new one right here, so we're gonna go ahead wire this out. But the old one I didn't record because I don't know, I just was lazy. Alright, guys, so it wasn't really kayak accessory able, so we're rigging it. We're making it. I got a kayak accessory slip so it fits through the side rivets and putting the mount on it. Then we're going to slide it up and
just make sure you stop it at the point where it's...
see how it goes. See, they were smart about that too. They made sure the screws could go all the way through. Alright.
So now it's going to mount right in. So you take the fish finder, go boom, click that bad boy in.
Alright, guys, so we're going to modify this. Alright, come on, pass me the fish line. Hello, we're golden, guys. Alright, guys, so I was tying up the anchor. I got this really nice knot on it, but I forgot to put it inside the anchor lizard. What's up, guys? So we got Justin right there. So we got it. Anchor back on, good as new. Everything's closed up, wiring's tucked underneath the storage. Got the wires ran back here, so I need to just finish tucking that onto some clips fast so that it's out of the way. Got the fish finder set up, so when I'm right here, let's go here. Powering on. Still got the screen protector on it. And now it's gonna have me set up everything. So, all right, guys, I got her all set up. Obviously, we're not reading nothing because we are on concrete, but it all works. It's all wired. I am excited. The anchor is back. Learned not to go in hurricanes anymore. Pull that seat up. We are ready for fishing season 2021. So I just gotta put the scissors back on, which are super easy. Do this one-handed. Boom, scissors are back on. Boom. We're golden. So the Jackson kayak is ready to go. Also added a new GoPro sticker there. Added a new one back here. This thing is a beast and one of the best purchases I've ever made. I mean, you guys haven't seen much down here. I got this, my gun safe, a lot of beer bottles. Justin just fiddling around with something.
I'm going to fix the rest of your kayak.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't like that I half-ass things. So he's going back in and doing it properly.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to step on your wire, go.
Don't worry, I love him for that. But right when we're done here, we're going to head outside fast, and I'm going to hook him up with a tackle box for free with a bunch of bait inside so that he can get into fishing and come out on the water with us too. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
First up, he needs a bag. So, I have a tackle bag here. I might actually have more in here. Set this up fast so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. Ooh, so nope, put the backpack. So, just get started. You can do the whole bag. Yeah, get started. Look at that bag. All different wires. There's a going through. As you see, my beam stuff is chilling along with the boxes. The first step, you're gonna want this. These are soft plastics. So, put it in the bag like boom. Close that, the back goes up. Boom, first box. Then take those two. Then take those. I'll show you what those in a second. Then take that. You also take this. And then, what else we got? What else can we get? Is that this? Yeah, right there. You take this? Okay, come on. Come on, folks. I did not mean to, so you definitely need to get this first. So, down here. This. And right there. No hot plastics. They're all in baggies. So, they're all in baggies, so you can see. But they're all, you know, behind hooks. I hate when the hooks. Hooks are bad hooks. But they're right there. Then you take that. We'll throw a topper in there for you. Oh, there's jerk baits in there. Oh, come on. Get your 20 hooks. Come on. Hook is one of those. It's a little hard rig right there. Not big. 20 hooks. Yes, not bad. This is my favorite copper of all time. So, I'm using this copper too. We got a mini frog in there. There's another call. The call's a good brand. Yeah, all those soft hard baits. Yeah, soft baits. Yeah, so brand new packaging. And then, we're gonna add some cone tags, because that was one of my favorite baits to throw through these red shad, river tiles. These were one of my favorites. Still, so we're gonna get them. Boom! All this. Box is broken, but still works. I got tape, you know, redneck approved. Yeah, redneck approved, right? And you take this. Boom. These are all my meltdowns. Oh boy! So, I can't send them without any Google bait, so he's getting a Hummer. Brand new Hummer. You know what? I'm gonna send you a fish too. Just a bunch of bait. No, fish one here before. Oh! Timber. So now what he really, really needs. That's fine, hooks. More hooks. More hooks. More hooks. More hooks. Some more hooks. More hooks. And then some paddle hooks. Oh, in here, where I have paddle. She's gonna put it in there, I'm gonna put it. We're gonna do that. Scale. Look, yeah, look. Flies because you can't fish without flies. And you got a lot of things. I'll give you a pack of some saucy swimmers. They're my favorite. And now we're gonna fill up this bag.
But we are ready for this 2020 fishing season. So all I want to say is thank you guys for hanging in there watching this video. I know it's kind of crazy and all over the place. I was pretty everywhere and chaotic tonight. And I burnt myself. Justin did everything the proper way, and he made me do everything the proper way. Anytime I tried to redneck something, he was like, no, no. So I listened to him. Smarter. Kayak came out good though. It's ready. Fish finder ready. Anchor ready. Fishing gear ready. He's ready. We're ready. We are going to get it this season.
We're definitely going to get it this season.
Rolling some big fish. But thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you all very much. Peace out.